Rustic wood furniture ideas for your home. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Welcome back to our channel. We explore the beauty of crafting natural elements in your home decor. Today we are dividing into the timeless charm of rustic wood furniture. From cozy cabins to modern lofts, rustic wood pieces and add warmth furniture ideas to inspire your next home makeover. If you are new here or if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members. Imagine gatherings around a sturdy reclaimed bondwood dining table with friends and family sharing laughter and good food. These tables not only add a touch of history to your dining area but also provide a durable and eco-friendly options. Pair it with a mismatched chairs for a cozy, eclectic look or a sleek modern chairs for a striking contrast. Bring the beauty of outdoor inside with a live or coffee table. Each piece is a unique, showcasing the natural curves and imperfection of the wood. Transform your bedroom in a serene retreat with a log bed frame. Crafted from sturdy logs, these bed frames add a rustic of touch while providing a solid foundation for a good night's sleep. Display your favorite books and decorate them in style with wooden bookshelves for a simple open design and showcase the beauty of the wood grain. Or choose or more intricate style with a carved details for a touch of elegance. Arrange your books by color or size or create a visually interesting and add personality to your space. With your natural beauty and timeless appeal, rustic wood furniture piece was sure to enhance any home decor style, whether you are furnishing and cozy cabin in a warmth character and a connection to nature. We hope these ideas have inspired you to embrace the beauty of rustic wood furniture in your own home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for home decoration inspiration.